Okay, for this proof we are going to show that QR is parallel to PS. So essentially we're trying to show that these are parallel. We do not know they're parallel, all we know are the givens. Now what can we do with the givens? Well, let's kind of note that this angle here, which is QRS, is supplementary to PQR, that angle there. So what I can do is recognize that these two angles are congruent and these two are supplementary. So I can basically prove that these, since they're supplementary, and they would form a same side interior angles, being supplementary would show that those lines are parallel. But what do I need to do that? Well, I'm going to basically substitute this angle for this angle. So if I'm going to substitute, like we learned, we need to use the definition of congruence. This is just how I'm doing this one. There's other ways you don't have to use substitution. I think you can use angle addition postulate, and there's probably a handful of different ways you can prove it with what you already know. So I'm using definition of congruence to rewrite this statement. The measure of angle PQ, I'm going to zoom in so it's better. Okay. The measure of angle PQR is equal to the measure of angle RSP. And then by definition of supplementary, I can write the measure of angle QRS plus the measure of angle PQR equals 180. This is definition of supplementary angles. So now for number 5, I'm going to substitute. As you can see here, PQR is equal to, the measure of PQR is equal to the measure of RSP. So I'm going to rewrite statement number 4, but instead of writing measure of angle PQR, I'm going to use what it is equal to, which is RSP. Now what I'm saying there is that these two angles are supplementary, and so if you actually look at this transversal in the two green lines, these two angles are same side interior. So fortunately before that I got to do one more thing. I got to say, based on this statement, I can say that angle QRS is supplementary to angle RSP. Oh, what'd I miss? Substitution. Step number 5 was substitution. This step, though, from here to here, I'm just using the definition of supplementary angles again. Okay, now that I know those two are supplementary, I can say that those two lines are parallel. QR is parallel to PS by the converse of same side interior angles theorem.